Welcome back to Beautyistic. Imagine this. You're rushing out the door and your brows just aren't playing nice today. We've all been there. But what if you had the perfect tool that not only shapes but also holds your brows in place all day, no matter the weather? That's where the BrowGal Skinny Eyebrow Pencil comes in. This dual-sided pencil promises to take your brow game to a whole new level. And today, we're diving deep into how it actually performs. Let's talk about what this pencil brings to the table. First, the ultrafine pencil. It's designed to mimic real brow hairs, filling in those thin areas or gaps with precision. It has a powder-like formula that blends beautifully for a natural finish. The spoolie on the other end isn't just there for show. It really helps to blend the color evenly, giving you that perfect polished look. Now I'm sure you're wondering, what's the deal with the sharpener? Well, unlike some brow pencils that require you to buy an extra sharpener, this one has a built-in sharpener cap. It's easy to use, ensuring that you can get a sharp point whenever you need it without the hassle of extra tools. As for performance, this brow pencil truly lives up to its promise of being water-resistant and long-lasting. After a full day of running errands, grabbing lunch, and dealing with unpredictable weather, my brows stayed exactly where I put them in the morning. It held up through sweat and humidity without fading, which is pretty impressive for a brow product. Another thing to note is that it's cruelty-free and vegan. Everything in this pencil has been dermatologically tested, so it's safe even for sensitive eyes. For those of you who care about these things, and rightly so, this product hasn't been tested on animals, which is a major plus in my book. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Well, as with any product, there are a few things worth considering. While the pencil itself is excellent for precision, the color range might not suit everyone. I tried the medium brown shade, which worked fine for my complexion, but if you're looking for a wider range of hues, this might not be the best fit. Also, while the pencil itself is a great size for portability, it can run out quicker than you'd expect with frequent use. In terms of value for money, this pencil sits at a mid-range price point. Considering its quality and the fact that you get a built-in sharpener and spoolie, I'd say it's a fair price for what you get. However, if you're someone who goes through brow products quickly, you might find that it doesn't last as long as you'd like. If you're on the hunt for a good alternative, there are a few pencils out there that offer similar results, though they might not come with a sharpener built in. One I'd suggest is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, which offers similar precision but comes at a slightly higher price point. So, does the BrowGal Skinny Eyebrow Pencil live up to the hype? I'd say yes. If you're looking for a precise, long-lasting brow pencil with a built-in sharpener and a natural finish, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for those of us who need brows that will stay put through all kinds of events, whether it's a wedding, a party, or just a busy day at the office. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews on the products you care about. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this brow pencil, drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Stay beautiful inside and out. Until next time.